You know, wrapping pipes, people think it's a new deal, but the street rodders and racers doing it since the beginning of, well, not beginning of time, but for a long time. And this wrap is all fiberglass, so you have to wet it before you put it down and get the hairs, fibers all over yourself. You can't get them out. You have to just pull it tight, wrap it around, tight at each end, and it cuts down 70% of your heat emitting from your pipes. It keeps the engine cooler a little bit, your leg cooler, and it looks cool. Plus it hides all the imperfections in the pipe if you want to make a long, crude pipe like this. Maybe that's why they stopped making it in the 70s. I know, I spent a lot of time building him a bike and all, but you know, I
never really got an introduction.
Yeah.
You know, Kay was cool. I liked her. She's alright.
Well, the guy that worked on these old fucking rat bikes, nobody gets no respect. Oh, the guy's just a dirty bike. He's a little dirty bike anyway.
That's right. We're dirt. We're dirtball. I don't mind, really. You know, there's a reason why I don't take a shower.
You know, the reason why I'm not on posters.
Watch your eyes. Holy. There it is. Just enough to really make you bleed if you got. Yeah. Dude, I just detailed my bike with a little beer.
Smell like beer when you run off a little bit.
I was all, man, how am I gonna get these water spots off?
Just soaked a little bit.
Dude, what's this shit?
You're good. Good. Man, you smell like a fucking brewery. Not my bike. Sorry about that.
I ain't never had sex in a brewery.
What's a brewery smell like anyways? Yeast?
You know, I'm just gonna kind of surf the weather here.
All right.
Hey, anybody got any lotion? I need some lotion. I'm starting to get ashy.
That's it. I'm back against the wall. I'm standing there.
Holy F.
I'm not even about to pick anything up off the ground right now.
Huh? OMG, LOL.
Hell.
What? September 3rd, 3 p.m.
Yo, pipes unwrapped.
That's when. Man, my parents call my dad calls me and shit. I try to call him back, man. It's like a freaking phone tag message. You know, we're just playing. Playing this shit. He wants to just make sure that my address is still good so that he can send me my shit, you know. Send me a Walmart card or whatever. He used to send me Sears cards, but he said, man, I just don't think there's a tool that you don't have. So why give you Sears? Here's Walmart cards so you can get socks. Because dude, I cherish socks.
Are we gonna get into the tool thing again? Why would I need any tools if I don't work?
You heard it here first, kids.
Somebody's admitting it.
Talk about bitter.
He said it. He said it. I didn't.
Like I said, I work at night when everybody's gone. What are you doing?
Stop it. Getting the star of the show.
Yeah.
Wait.
There we go.
I didn't get that. Without Matt, I don't, you know, I'm a good mechanic, man, but without Matt, you know, just winning them over socially, my demeanor just pushes people away. They don't understand if I know what I'm saying or if I'm just being gruff or I don't know what it is. But Matt, they seem to just like Matt, I guess. Whee! Whee! Yeah. Like a broad.
You're wasting time. Yeah, they're biker friendly. They're friendly biker.